to pay Uber Eat with Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay on your Uber Eats app with Cash App. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and after that just install the Uber Eats app in your device, and once it is downloaded just click on open and open the Uber Eats app in your device. And after that, in the home page, just select the item that you want to purchase. For example, I have already put a product in my cart list. I'm going to order it, and just go to the checkout section after selecting the product that you want to buy in order to eat from your Uber Eats app. And after that, just click on this payment options right beside the place order option. And here on this page you will see all these options. As you can see, when you scroll down, there is no such option to pay with Cash App. So all you have to do is just click on cash on delivery, and once you click on cash on delivery and wait for your order to deliver to your doorstep, and once it is delivered, just open your Cash App in order to make the payment. So here you have two options. Either you can enter the amount of the money that you want to enter the amount here, and after that just click on pay. And on this page you can mention the name of the delivery partner who has come to deliver your food. Just mention his name, note, and just click on pay. And the another option is that you can click on this scan icon from the top of the screen and just scan the QR code that the deliver partner will show you in order to make the payment. So these are the two ways through which you can pay Uber Eats with Cash App. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.